this lecture, we're going to learn about alter table, which is a statement used to add, delete, or modify columns in an existing table. So the first instance we're going to use it is to add a new column to our existing table called customers. So alter table customers, enter, add, then the name of the table we want to add, let's say quantity. Quantity will be numbers, so the data type will be int. Then we're done, we end with a semicolon. So what this is going to do, this is going to add a new column called quantity to the customers table, but it will not have data. It will just be a new column. And if you want to add data to the quantity column, we would have to go back to where we learned about inserting data into the table. So for this case, you just actually say insert into customers, then you'd only specify one column, which will be quantity. Then under that, you'd write the values, which will go under quantity for all the rows. So now let's first execute this. It's a success. Let's refresh here. Go to customers table icon. As you can see, quantity column has been added successfully. Let's go back. So the next instance will be to modify the what? The column. By modifying the column, would say, for instance, we would want to change the data type and say, okay, you know what? Instead of quantity being int, would actually want quantity to be varchar. Let's say we want it to be varchar, and the data we're going to put there is going to be in text form. We can do that. So we'd say alt table customers, and that would say modify the quantities column, quantity column, and we want you to change the data type to varchar, let's say 100. So let's execute this. And it's a success. So the data type for quantity has been changed to varchar, and you can check that out by going to the shopping database. Under tables, you check customers table, then you go to this icon here. Let's say this one, or this one here. Yes, this one will show you the columns and their data types. As you can see, customer ID int, first name varchar, quantity is now varchar. Previously, we had put it as int, now it's varchar. So go back. In the next instance will be to drop that column we have included in our table. So we'll do the same thing, alter table customers, we go to drop, colon. You have to specify drop colon. See, it's highlighted, showing it's a correct command. Colon. Which one do you want? Quantity. And you have to ensure that the spelling matches the previous spelling of quantity when you're adding the column quantity. After that, you execute, Control Shift Enter. It's a success. So you go back here and refresh. And under our customers table, the table icon, click there and see it's been removed. So that's all about altering tables properties. Thank you.